continuing our lecture on the digestive system. Today we are going to start with the pharynx. Okay, so we have the pharynx is divided into three parts: nasopharynx, nasal part of the pharynx; oral part of the pharynx; larynx part of the pharynx. Okay, so just understand the name of the or understand the meaning of the terms which is there. Now see here in the nasopharynx, where it opens, where we can see nasopharynx, where the internal layers. Just in previous lecture I have discussed about the layers. This is called as the external layers, and similarly we have the internal layers. So where the internal layer opens, that part is called as nasopharynx. Now what the structure we can see there? There is an opening, eustachian tube. This opening we can see in the nasopharynx. Okay. Now we should know the cell lining. Here we have this kind of the cell is pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. What is the meaning of this? Pseudo means false. Stratified का मतलब क्या होता है? Many layer. But इधर पे many layer नहीं है, उसको mimic कर रहा है. Okay, so pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. This is the lining of the nasopharynx. Now next part, oropharynx, where the soft palate or the buccal cavity opens, is called as the oropharynx. Now what is the cell lining with? It is a non-keratinized squamous stratified epithelium. Non-keratinized means keratin का मतलब क्या था? Dead deposit. It's a non-keratinized squamous stratified epithelium. Okay, stratified का मतलब क्या? Many layers. And where it opens, where you can see oropharynx, where the buccal cavity opens. Okay, what is the cell lining? Non-keratin. Okay, see देखिए मैंने सारे वीडियो में आपको बता रखा है, और अगर नहीं बताया तो सुन लीजिए. जो भी नोट्स है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक में डाल दिया जाएगा, उधर से डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा, बस आप सुनिए इसको. Okay, laryngopharynx in front of the trachea. Okay, where the larynx is there. Okay, so in the laryngopharynx, where it opens near the trachea. Okay, और हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? जहाँ पर glottis है. Okay, that part will be your laryngopharynx. And what is the cell lining? NKSS. What is the meaning of NKSS? Non-keratinized squamous stratified epithelium. Okay, so we have discussed about the pharynx part. Now there is an important structure which is in one of the AIMS paper. They have drawn this structure and you have to name it. Now what is this Waldear's ring? So we are going to discuss the Waldear's ring in this part. So see here, there is an arrangement of tonsils. Okay, so what are these tonsils called as? What are these tonsils and what is this? This is nothing but I have discussed previously, eustachian tube. So that opening is nothing but your eustachian tube. Above that we have one tonsil. So let us discuss this. So this is our pharyngeal tonsil. Pharyngeal, this is because eustachian tube के ऊपर है ये, तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ट्यूबल टॉन्सिल. और ये कौन सा होगा आपका? पैलेटाइन, क्योंकि पैलेट के पास में होगा, सो पैलेटाइन टॉन्सिल. और ये आपका कौन सा होगा? लिंगुअल टॉन्सिल, जो कि आपके टंग के पास में होगा. ओके, नाउ देखिए इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है कि जो पैलेटाइन और ट्यूबल, ये दोनों जो है, ये दोनों पेयर्ड है, मतलब इनका पेयर है. बाकी जो फेरेंजियल और लिंगुअल है ये सिंगुलर है, अनपेयर्ड. इज इट ओके? सो वी हैव दिस टॉन्सिल का अरेंजमेंट. ओके, क्रॉस सेक्शन अरेंजमेंट. इफ यू सी द क्रॉस सेक्शन इट विल लुक लाइक दैट. ओके, सो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वॉल्डेयर्स रिंग, द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द टॉन्सिल. कौन कौन सा? फेरेंजियल, यूस्टेशियन ट्यूब के पास कौन सा? ट्यूबल. उसके नीचे पैलेट के पास कौन सा? पैलेटाइन टॉन्सिल. उसके नीचे लिंगुअल टॉन्सिल. अब ये टॉन्सिल होता क्या है? ये टॉन्सिल क्या होता है? इट इज द लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू. नाउ लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू हमको पता है कि जो हमको it provides a defense mechanism to our body. So these tonsils are nothing but lymphoid tissue. And why it is in the so much of number near the tongue or entry of the food part? Because as we know, this question itself has the answer. They ask why it is maximum near the tongue or the food entry part, because we know that the moment we take air or the food, it contains lot of contagious particle which can infect our food pipe or the windpipe respectively. So to avoid that or to protect from that, we have this tonsil arrangement which protects us from all those macrophages, which is or macrophage, sorry, microorganism which enters through the food or the air particle. Okay, thank you so much. So with this